Hello darling, today we'll do a very quick and easy makeup look. If you have just 10 minutes to go, first I moisturize my skin with this skin food from Veleda. It's perfect. In my eye area with this H2O Beauty eye cream. You should apply foundation only to the good moisturized skin, and in this case your makeup will be good. I apply it with the brush. I don't need full coverage, just to do mask of my face. And it doesn't matter to me that I have some red spots on my skin. I use also a little bit onto my eyelids. You see, the picture is much more better now. Then goes the powder. My favorite foundation and powder are from Hourglass. I use powder with this fan brush. It gives me a very light coverage. It mattifies, but it also lights up the skin. The next palette again from Hourglass. It is gorgeous. I like such palettes because they have all the products in them. The highlighter, the blush, and I use this shadow to contour my face. The cheekbones, a little of the forehead, the jawline. The motions are really quick. Okay, the face is already contoured, and now the blush. I like to use from this palette the highlighter and the blush, and it gives your cheeks really nice glowy effect. In theory, blush should be used right underneath your eye, but in this case I look like a pig actually. And I use them from here to the temple, from here to the temple, and you can use a little bit on the eyelids also. Well, if I have time, I use some eyeshadow, and that's from Marc Jacobs. I will use 3 colors. The shiny one to light up the eyelid, the medium one to emphasize the crease, and the darkest, lightest shade onto the whole eyelid. Do you see the shimmer? I think it's really gorgeous. It's definitely more shiny on the eye than in the palette. Now the bigger brush for this medium color. Don't forget to take off the excess out of the brush, otherwise you will have spots on your eyes. And the darkest shade, this grayish purpley one, just to darken this area. Don't be shy to blend everything with your fingertips. I think that's the best sponge you could ever have. The next step is mascara. I use this NYX one. You should remember the rule. After you've opened your mascara for the first time and 3 months passed, you should throw it away. Otherwise, it's not good for your eyes. This one is from NYX, worth the hype. It's really good. I'm gonna use it. Now the lips. My favorite trick ever to do this stain on the lips. I use a very bright lipstick that's from Buxom, Color Lover. I love it. I love Lover. It's not actually comfortable to me to wear this creamy lipstick on my lips. I always think that it's gonna run somewhere. So you take a tissue and then you kiss the tissue as many times as it left some lipstick on it. So you see there is no lipstick already, and your lips has this really gorgeous stain and it lasts really long. Okay, now I'm ready. That's my everyday makeup look. I hope it was helpful, and see you soon.